1 year anniversary on YouTube, and it's pretty awesome. Look at this room we're in right now, and yes, it's my 1 year anniversary. And guess who was in my 1 year guess who was in my first ever YouTube video? Me. You're supposed to say yes, you guessed it right. It was me. Okay, but anyway, I suppose it counts as an anniversary. Seems like me in person has been on YouTube for a year now, and it's been crazy. I've had down times, good times, mostly good times anyway. So I've got a couple of treats for you, and I moved into my new house here, and this is the dining room. This is a big table.
Yeah.
This is a door. You love doors, don't you? Anyway, hopefully this captures my voice, seeing as I'm pretty far away, but it does have a stereo mic there, so it doesn't matter. Anyway, I will see you guys soon, and we've got a few things in store, and my idea as well. We're going to fly around some helicopters. Yes, they're professional helicopters that you drive and you save people in. Yep, I'm telling the truth, of course. I'll tie Daniel, I'm telling the truth. And I'm going to play UHC. So, guys, I will see you guys next. And with this brand new webcam here, I can capture the perfect images on your screen. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.
you enjoyed the clips of me and Daniel flying our helicopters. And sorry, I get excited when I speak about this, so I look like a retard. But anyway, I just need to sit still. Anyway, this is my bedroom. If you didn't know, my new bedroom, my new house. A few links will be in the description below. The music that was played in the background will, the link to the music will be in the description below. It will be down there, down there, down there. So, and my Facebook page will be down there as well for things like I don't know what that snort was. Other pictures and things. So
of his new house.
New house. That's one of them. And I will be uploading the UHC soon. I hope you will enjoy that. I'm excited for that. I've been practicing UHC recently. I'm still not good at it. I suppose, I don't know. I suppose it's all about luck, finding diamonds. But I'll explain more about that later. And I think that's all I've got to say, apart from Daniel coughing in my face, which is lovely.
Yeah, I've got a bad cough. Anyway.
Still doesn't mean you have to cough in my face.
Oh
well done, you gave me a cough now.
Yay.
Yay. Hey, your cough doesn't go. No joy for you.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, I don't know what I was, but I'll see you guys next time. And it's my 1 year anniversary on YouTube. I can't help looking at the computer screen because everything's all confusing. It's like a mess.